That service warranty. What up, YouTube? I guess y'all already figured out something going on with the car. Y'all like my shirt? Let y'all figure that out. But no, we are going to go get some tires mounted. I say my daughter's out with me today. So we're gonna go get these tires mounted. Let y'all see what I do on certain things I can't do myself. Don't have a tire shop, but I do have tire connections. And if you do need tires mounted or want to buy tires, I'm gonna refer you to this place if you're in the Birmingham area. They also do wheel alignments, they do tires, they do pretty much some of the stuff. Well, a lot of the stuff dealing with tires. So this particular car's got offsets in the rear. So a lot of places around here can't do the balance and everything on it. So this is one of my go-to guys. And he's not gonna break the bank. But stay tuned. All right, let me get these tires put on.
All right, what you gonna do with the old one?
You can throw them away.
$5 extra per tire, man.
I'll take one of them back with me.
$5 extra per tire, man. I mean, that's what they charge.
No, I know. I know. I'm gonna take one of them back with me. I gotta use it for something else. Yeah, they're 20s. So yeah, the two back ones are gonna get changed. Don't look like it, but they got a lot of wear on the inside of it. Yeah. Cat is out here chilling. Baby wanted to board the cat. So.
Back. And he's keeping one, we're throwing the other one away.
I'll leave it open because I'm gonna put the tire back in there. Come over here. Yeah, you can see it good now on this one. I don't know what it is about these Genesis when you put an offset wheel on the back. It changes the camber of the car. And even when I had a line at the dealership, they still like, oh, it's gonna wear odd, but it's been like this almost how many years? Yeah. That's what I was selling them. Yeah. That's what I was selling them. It's wearing on the inside. Those aren't cheap tires either. So the one you got, I'm gonna end up keeping.
This one you keeping?
Yeah. So Speedway Tire. Make sure you check them out for all your tire needs. Front tires are good. I need to get these windows retinted. Oh, this is a pretty cool shirt. Once again, check it out. Don't be a piece of, you know the rest. finna drive off the rack. We're at the way. All right, YouTube, that was pretty much it for the day. Just getting the tires mounted and balanced. Now we got to go take care of some other stuff. Can't bring you along, but continue to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Check out the Amazon affiliate store. Check out coverauto.com. They have the seat covers. Now they had the cooling seats. So if you want to have some heated and cool seats in your car, check them out as well. And they're worth it. I'm not just throwing it out there. True story. I have it. I did a demonstration on another video in one of my other cars. So like, share, subscribe, comment. Amazon affiliate store. You know the rest. If you broke it, I can fix it. Peace.